Hello from Tash Tyres. I've got a Renault Megane Scenic here on a 2001 plate. Just doing a sidelight bulb on this. I've already tried the bulb. It's not the bulb, it's the fuse. So I'm going to show you the location of the fuse. So if you look on the driver's side, both the front and the rear is not working. And then on the passenger side, both sides are working. So we'll show you where the fuse is. It's quite a simple one on this. I've already located the fuse, but I'll just show it to you. It's on just under the steering wheel right here. You've got the cover. What you need to do, remove the cover, switch the light on. Now here you've got the diagram, the pictures and everything. So this is how it is. So we're looking at the right one right there, the top right hand corner. So in that case it will be the top right hand corner right there as well. So this is what we've got to remove. I've already got the spare fuses right here. That's the fuse puller. Take the fuse out. I'm going to switch the lights off. Got the new one. Okay, this is a bit tight. Right, 1 second. Right, got it out. So all I now do is locate this fuse right into the slot where it should go. That's in there now. I now switch the lights on and we'll check the back one first. As you can see right there, that's working now. And then we'll check the front one. Make sure the front's working as well. That's it, that's working as well. That's all you got to do on your side light bulb. If you've replaced the bulb and it's still not working, so the only thing it could be is the fuse or the wiring. Being a Renault, could be either one of them, so it could be the fuse or the wiring. But in this case, it's a fuse. So yeah, anything else you need to know is all there, right? You got all the other fuses for the headlight, which is the orange one right there, and the wipers, the doors, the windows. So it's all in one place. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.